I love cooking my breakfast in the morning. I'm gonna show you how to make your eggs over medium or over easy or over hard, sunny side up. First, what I do, I fry my bacon, and I use the bacon grease when I fry my eggs. As you can see right here, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the sausage, and I'm gonna pull the grease out in a pot. So I'm gonna pull that grease out, and then I'm gonna just wipe it a little clean. And some people just clean it and they use butter or olive oil, but I use my bacon grease. It tastes better that way. So first, what you want to do, and you want to turn your heat down medium. You don't want to fry these eggs on high. So you take your eggs, how many you want to cook, 1, 2, and you put it in the pan. And like I said, make sure it's on low or medium, because it ain't gonna do right if you turn it on high. So it's on medium, and if it gets too hot, the only thing you have to do is lift the pan up. And once I crack my eggs, I get me a little salt and a little black pepper. A lot of people do this at the end, but I'm a country boy. We season our stuff while we cooking it. So I'm gonna put that black pepper on it also. And like I said, if it start cooking too fast, just pick your skillet up. Make sure it's not sticking. And get you a non-stick pan. Those things work good. So you see, I'm just making sure it's not sticking to the pan, and I'm just moving it around. And to be honest with you, most of the times I eat my eggs just like this, sunny side up. I don't cook it too much, but I'm gonna just show you how you can do it over easy, over medium, or over hard. So I'm gonna do this one over medium. See, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna just flip it over right there. And I'm gonna take that one, and you got to be kind of good with it, and you just flip it right there. So this right here, I'm cooking it. So if I cook it for about another 20 seconds or 30 seconds, I could take it off, and they call that over easy. But if you cook it for about another minute, a minute and a half, then you got over medium. Then you keep cooking it, then you got over hard. So I'm gonna do this over medium. So right now I could take it off, it'll be over easy, it'll be running. So I waited a few more seconds, and as you see, it's running a little bit, but this is gonna be over medium, as you can see right there. And cook that a little bit more. So this right here, they call this over medium. So I'm gonna cut into it and show you what it looks like. And if you want it over hard, cook it a little longer. If you want it over easy, take it out a little sooner. So this is over medium. And like I said, I usually eat mine sunny side up. I was just showing you guys. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.